Unbelievably fluffy pancake survey time. In a large bowl, add 1½ cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons baking powder, 1½ teaspoon baking soda, and 1½ teaspoon salt. Whisk the dried ingredients together until everything is evenly combined. In a separate bowl, whisk 1 large egg, 1½ cup buttermilk, 2 tablespoons melted unsalted butter, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract until smooth. Pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Gently fold the batter with a spatula until just combined. Leave a few small lumps and let the batter rest for 5 minutes. Heat a lightly buttered non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Pour 1 4 cup batter on the pan for each pancake. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until bubble appears on top and the edges begin to set. Flip the pancake and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until both sides are golden brown and the center is fully cooked. Stack the warm fluffy pancake on a plate, top with 1 tablespoon butter, pure maple syrup, and garnish with fresh blueberries and sliced strawberries for a beautiful breakfast presentation.